Hello, welcome back to Ayaan's easymath. Today we are going to solve an Olympiad problem. So our question is like a mathematical maze that will lead you through twists and turns. Can you navigate your way to the solution and emerges victorious? Stick around because by the end of this you will have a toolkit of strategies to conquer any Olympiad challenge. So here how to solve this problem by using trigonometry. So solving in algebraical method is okay, you know the process how to solve. So as you are going to solve this by using trigonometry, pause the video for 10 seconds and try it. Okay, and also if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. It will appreciate us to make more videos. More than 1000 Olympiad and logical problems are uploaded in this channel. Please go through them. Thank you. So here, let us assume that x and y are greater than 0 and root x is equal to 3 sine square theta. Root y is equal to 3 cos square theta. Now the second equation what is given, root of x plus 5 plus root of y plus 3 is equal to 5. So if you substitute here x value, you will get 9 sine to the power of 4 theta plus 5 plus square root of 9 cos power 4 theta plus 3 is equal to 5. Now total equation you have to change into cos. So what you have to do here, this part, so here we are writing sine square theta whole square. This can be written as 1 minus cos square theta whole square, that is equal to 1 minus cos power 4 theta 1 plus plus minus 2 cos square theta will get. So this value are going to write here 1 plus cos power 4 theta minus 2 cos square theta. So I am going to replace here square root of 9 into 1 plus cos power 4 theta minus 2 cos square theta plus 5 plus square root of 9 cos to the power of 4 theta plus 3 is equal to 5. So this is the logic in this problem. So here what will get in the square root 9 9 plus 5 will get plus 9 cos to the power of 4 theta minus 18 cos square theta plus square root of 9 cos to the power of 4 theta plus 3 is equal to 5. Now here we'll get square root of 14 minus 18 cos square theta plus 9 cos power 4 theta is equal to 5 minus root of 9 cos power 4 theta plus 3. So here I want to remove this cos theta value. I'll replace cos square theta is equal to u, where this value lies between 0 and 1. Positive value. So here what we'll get now, square root of 14 minus 18u plus 9u square is equal to 5 minus square root of 9u square plus 3. Now squaring on both sides. So here you'll get 14 minus 18u plus 9u square is equal to 25 plus 9u square plus 3 minus 10 square root of 9u square plus 3. So here 9u square you can remove. So here 25 plus 3, 28 will get 28 here 14. So minus 14 minus 18u, send this two values that side is equal to minus 10 root of 9u square plus 3. So here you can remove minus and you can take common 2. 7 plus 9u is equal to 5 root of 9u square plus 3. Now again squaring on both sides. So here you'll get 49 plus 126u plus 81u square is equal to 25 into 9u square plus 3. So here 25 into 9. So here you'll get 225u square plus 75. So sending all the terms to one side, I will get 225 minus 81, 144u square minus 126u plus 75 minus 49, you will get 26 equal to 0. So here you will get 72u square minus 63u plus 13 equal to 0. So here you will get a factor sum. 72u square minus 24u minus 39u plus 13 equal to 0. So here you can take 24 u common. 3u minus 1 minus 13 common, 3u minus 1 equal to 0. U is equal to 1 by 3 or 13 by 24. So u is nothing but cos value, cos square theta value. So root y is equal to 3u. Root y is equal to 3u. So here you will get u value 1 by 3. 3 into 1 by 3, you are getting 1. Y value 1. If you replace here y value, x will be 4. Y value 1, x value is 4. Now secondary value if you take root y is equal to 3u. So 3 into 13 by 24, you will get 13 by 8. 13 by 8 y value. Then x will be y value will be here square of this 169 by 64. X value will be 121 by 64. So here you are getting two solutions for x comma y. You are getting 1 comma 4. 1 comma 4 is one solution. The other one is 121 by 64 comma 169 by 64. I hope you understood the video. Thank you for watching Ayaan Max Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Once again, thank you for watching Ayaan Max Olympiad.